How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and in today's video, take a look at OZSC, Ozop Energy Solutions. I'm really happy to make this video, guys. Up 7 cents, just shy of 77% on the day. You guys know, if you watched yesterday's video, we've been talking about this dip right here, and we didn't want to go past $8, and well, it did. It went to $8.01, or excuse me, 0.0812. I thought I was looking for a position to get in, and I ended up getting in at 0.0899, and we took a nice trade line today, up $214. I did take some profit because it's always a good thing to do. I am holding currently 1,000 shares, and we'll get back in on Monday. Now the chart review. Oh, before I have to get into it, guys, you guys know on YouTube, in my comment section, if you know Mr. Tony Steele, way back when it first hit 9 cents, he's been talking about it. So if you see him in the comments, give him a like. It real Mr. Tony Steele, thank you very much. Thank you. All right, so chart down here. We do have support at 10 cents, 12 VWAP, as well as 11, almost 12. Support at 14 and support at 16.13. And then now our final high of the day was up there at 16.88. So we'll go ahead and mark that down, the yellow dotted line to represent that. Where's the next step? Take it out to the 20-day. The next step is going to be 18, not 20, 22. It's going to be every couple cents. I mean, there's just so much resistance on this Ozop Energy here, and especially for any stock like this, because 2 cents, that's potentially like 10%. So you think of like Tesla going up 10%, and because obviously you can buy more shares of this stock. And yeah, so it was a great bounce. The only caution I do want to share was that there was no news today, so not even anything. I even looked on their Twitter account. They just posted an article saying that electric vehicle sectors are going to be hot. Nothing related to the company. Well, yes, nothing, strictly related to the company, just an overall sector-wide, which, again, as a sector, stocks can move, and they will continue to move as a sector, but you really want, a catalyst that's going to be focused on OZSC alone. So I am worried about a dead cat bounce, and that's why I did take some profit off the table. Now, am I saying OZSC is a garbage company? Absolutely not. Again, you guys probably watched the last 2 videos I made on this, but just to recap, I went on a little rant saying that how you're going to charge electric vehicles, you need charging stations, and that's exactly what OZSC does. They distribute them, and they're looking to partner up. Okay, it's somewhere on here. They were going to partner up with a company to potentially make Zeem to develop evolutionary EV charging solutions. So you guys know they're dipping their toes in both distributing and making or partnering up with somebody to make their own, and it's going to be huge. Going to the 1-day chart here, we can see that volume was 340 million. Very good for a 16-cent stock. The next, I guess, really on everybody's mind is going to be 42, and then 50, and then potentially maybe even $1. So we'll go here to $1 and make this the green dotted line. Oh, I have to delete one here. We'll go here at the dollar, and make that the green dotted line to represent the ultimate price target. Now, I do want to put a price target of like $10 on this, for maybe in 3 years. And it can get there like next month. Obviously, that'd be a really good move, and it'll probably be pumped. But you need to have a catalyst, guys. I said in the last video too. OZSC has to have a catalyst. I don't know what they're doing. They need to put anything out saying that, or things are looking good for, or distributing some, or just hint at good earnings or something. Retail investors and institutional, I guess not technically institutional, but long-term investors that know what they're doing, they look for these things, the catalyst and earnings. And if this company doesn't release any of them, how you want as much people getting into this stock as can, but not the pumpers. And I don't think that's what happened today. I just feel like it was a dead cat bounce. But prove me wrong, OZSC. Prove me wrong. Show me next week that this is a true powerhouse move behind this. It had great volume, exceeding all the way past to February 9th. So almost a whole month away of just heavy, basically red volume. And we finally got some good green candle. Fix the chart here. Yeah, like I said, that double bottom basically at 810. Obviously, no 8.081 is going to be good support, and it needs to hold it. I don't want to see it ever going back down that low. Now, Monday, if we can get a dip, maybe down to the 12 cents, but then again, obviously not needed. Maybe even the 14 cents. Just a micro pullback, maybe on the first 5 minutes at the bell, and then we see a nice surge up like we did today, a nice 5-minute bounce and a nice surge. That would be the best thing because you need a stair-step pattern for a bullish stock to go up. It's just to define really all odds today. I looked at Tesla and I said, oh boy, electric vehicles are going to be down today. Just look at this garbage. Tesla, it's been killing me recently. Low of 539. I'm not complaining because I'm holding this forever. I set aside money and I'm holding Tesla, investing in the other ones. So I'm not worried about that. Just what I was mentioning really is the sector. The sector is hot, okay? The big three telling people they're going to have all electric vehicle fleets at least by the 2035. And that's GM was 2035, Ford was 2030. And to completely rebrand your entire company, I understand the challenges in that because I understand, working towards people. And you have Tesla, that's what they did. They never even made a gas vehicle. And OZSC, never. I don't feel like they're ever going away. I feel like they're either. I don't feel like they're going bankrupt. They're either going to get bought out or be an absolute powerhouse. So just stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys took a trade on it in the Patreon. Obviously, our new lows down there at 810. We said jump on it. I was a bit hesitant. I thought it was going to go down to 7 cents. So that's why I got in a bit high, but I'm not complaining. A nice 200-day for me under just this ticker alone. So I was just saying, thanks for watching. Definitely leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for joining the live stream today, guys. It was a big hit. Got a good amount of views on it, a good amount of likes and comments. So I really appreciate it. We will be streaming Monday. Most likely this OZSC. I may do a couple even live trades as well. We'll just have to see because I know I've been getting tons of views doing the live chart like with BUZZ and like a watch list on the side if you haven't watched them yet. And that's been getting a lot of views, so I don't really want to change it up, but may have to see how that one goes. And yeah, so you click the link in the description to join the Patreon. It's only $3 a month, and you get alerts like this and calls like this. Stay tuned for next video. I'm going on AITX, another powerhouse, brought to you none other than Mr. Tony Steele. So stay tuned for that one. It's coming right after this one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.